Alright, so let's start editing. Let's just drag in the first clip. See if it's rough or not. Oh yeah, that's way too rough. We need to stabilize it. Let's drag in the stabilizer. Why is it so slow? I'm gonna open Task Manager and see what's wrong. Only 8 gigabytes of RAM? No wonder it was running so slow. But I have a solution for this. So let's install it. The first obvious step is shutting down your computer. Then you need to unplug the power source. The next step is to remove the side panel. The next step would be to push the clip of the slot you are going to use. The next step would be to line up the notch on the RAM stick and the RAM slot and push on both sides evenly until you hear 2 clicks. Repeat these steps for all of the RAM sticks you install. The next step would be to power on your computer. If your RAM sticks have lights, they should come on when you power on your computer. Your last and final step is to go in Task Manager and see if your new RAM comes up. If it does, you're all good.